Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a mouse and keyboard on an iPad. First, gather your essential gear, a Bluetooth-enabled mouse and keyboard, plus a specialized game controller device designed for mobile gaming. Confirm your iPad runs at least operating system version 17 for optimal performance and connectivity. Also, verify you have a strong, consistent internet connection to prevent any in-game lag. Finally, make sure the PUBG Mobile application is already installed and ready on your device. Begin by connecting your external game controller device to your iPad, often through a hub that plugs into your iPad's port or via Bluetooth pairing. Next, pair your wireless mouse and keyboard directly to this game controller device, not the iPad itself, by following the Peripherals included setup guide. Always ensure your iPad and all connected accessories have sufficient battery life or are plugged into power sources. Finally, place your iPad on a stable stand at an ergonomic viewing angle for maximum comfort during long play sessions. Once your devices are connected, launch PUBG Mobile on your iPad and head straight to the in-game settings menu. Locate the controls section, which is where you will customize your keyboard and mouse mappings. Carefully assign each action, such as moving forward, aiming down sights, or firing your weapon, to a specific key or mouse button. Take your time to fine-tune the mouse sensitivity until it feels perfectly natural and responsive for your gameplay. To optimize your experience, spend time experimenting with various keybind configurations. Comfort is key for consistent play. Consider lowering in-game graphical settings to ensure a consistently smooth frame rate, especially during intense combat. Before each session, close any unused background applications on your iPad to dedicate maximum resources to PUBG Mobile. Most importantly, practice extensively in the game's training grounds to build muscle memory and become truly proficient with your new mouse and keyboard setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.